Back here with a look at Popcat, and it looks like we nailed the bottom pretty much on this thing. We were looking for 22.9402, and you can see there, right there was the price, and there's exactly where we hit. Okay, we took the target off of this wave right here, coming down, um, and you can see that worked its way right down here. Now the question is that it? Is that a bottom? Well, if we take a trend line across here, right down through here, you can see this thing is starting to break out. All right, it's breaking out of this resistance. We have a hit here, a hit here, a hit here, a hit here, and a break here. All right, so looking like Popcat is on its way back up here. If we take a look at the RSIs, we got the 4 hour heading straight up. The daily, looks fantastic. Nice big green candle started up here. The big thing is we work our way back into this wedge. Let's get this price up here since we had it. All right, coming back up in here. You can see here we had a correction here. All right, and it looks like that correction is finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we ended up hitting support down here, right down there where we were looking for, and now we're getting a bounce up out of here. The daily's heading up. The weekly is still correcting, but that thing should be turning back to the upside here. That's because this big pull down. All right, and your monthly. I don't have a monthly on here. All right, but Popcat looking good here. All right, this first retracement up here, we'll be looking for a run back up here towards this 200 moving average up at about 31 cents. All right, that would be our first move up, and that would put us right in as far as the Fibonacci, probably right up there, right at that 618702. All right, so the big thing is, do we break through about that 33 cents and get back into this wedge, or do we come up here to this 200 moving average at about 31 cents? Work our way up here and then get rejected and roll over, or do we work our way back up here, get inside this wedge, and then break out the top side? All right, that's what we'll be looking for here on this thing. So, but quite honestly, with the rest of the market looking the way it is, Bitcoin dominance and stuff dropping, looking for a retracement, a run back up through here. Okay, on the bigger picture, if we zoom out on this thing, if we can regain this wedge and start working our way back up through the 40s and get out the top side here, this thing could have a really nice run. Okay, but like I said, that first target, 30 to 31 cents, you want to see a break through 31, 32, 33, get up through there, get up to 34 cents, and this could get pretty exciting for Popcat. But it looks like the correction is over, and it looks like a bottom, as far as I can see, has come in on this thing. So it should be working its way back up. Like I said, the first area, got to keep an eye on. I'm going to mark this out so the next time we come back here, we take a look and see if we got through here. About 31 cents. And if we can break through that, we can break through 34. Then we're back up inside this wedge, and looking to head out the top side. Bigger targets I'm looking for are up towards this way. All right, and that would all come in with a an alt season. Got Bitcoin here making a nice run. I just put a video out here a little bit ago. I was looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. But this thing ended up bouncing even quicker. I thought it was going to pull down here towards 110.7, but it's starting to bounce up out of here. Looking for Bitcoin, possibly head up towards 112, right in that range. It's working 111 right now. 112.3, 112.7, right up in there. it looks like it's working on a 5 wave right now down here. I have a long in on Bitcoin right now. Looks like it's working, 3, 4. Hard to say how this will work out on its way up through here, but looking for a 5 wave up through here. All right, so keep your eye, got Bitcoin moving. Want to see Bitcoin dominance dropping. Right now it's at 58.5%. And if you'd like to join our trading group, guys, that's a level 3 membership. It's in the description of the video. And if you're looking for a place to trade, there's two links in the description of the video. One for Bitunix and one for Weeks. Use both them places. Very, very good trading places. User friendly. They have a lot of rewards for you when you sign up and stuff like that. So please go check them out. Now it looks like dominance might make a run back up here towards 59, up in this area, that heavy resistance area up here for it, and then roll over. Looks like it's doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. All right, but when you zoom out on a monthly, this is a lot bigger move. All right. You can see here, this was all one candle down. This pulls back up. That's a 1, 2, and then a big 3 down. A 3 down, 4 up, and a 5 down. So, altcoin season is definitely on the verge. We've seen stuff popping out there. We've seen a lot of cryptos, taking off. Different ones. Crow has been running good. A lot of stuff out there popping. So, all right. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will talk to you next time. We'll see if Popcat can get up through these levels.